Hey, what's going on, guys? Mustang 23T here. I got a new set of wheels from Late Model Restoration. I got a free t-shirt. I'm gonna go ahead and do a video of unboxing these wheels, let you know what I got on the tire package and the wheels that I got, and then we'll do a video of once it's installed or whatnot, so you guys can see the before and afters. So let's get started. Alright guys, there you have it. These are the GT350 replica wheels. The brand here is SVE and their model is S350. So I got these packaged with the Nitto tires NT555 G2. They come with a square setup, 275/35s all around. I do plan to change this out in the near future. I'm planning probably to do 255s in the front and 295s on the rear. But for now, this is the package that was available, and it came with these gray tires. I was a little hesitant in the beginning, but after looking at these, they have a very great aggressive design, as you guys can see. Once again, these are the Nitto tires NT555 G2. So they have done great improvements from what I've heard, from their first gen to their second gen. And that is it. So I'm going to do another video once they're installed to do a comparison of before and after. But there you have it. So stay tuned. If you have any comments, questions, go ahead and write them below. I'll go ahead and I'll answer them. And as always, please like, share, subscribe. Mustang 23T, I'm out. Have a very blessed day.